Hi everyone. This is my first, end of week video, and I'll be producing these videos weekly, not simply to recap what we have done in the previous week, but also as a way to talk with you about the course or to create opportunities for you to raise questions about the course. So the first thing we want to think about, though, is that for today, that is September 4th, we are looking at having completed both step one and step two. Step two being the writing diagnostic. I want to talk a little bit about that. As I stressed in the video guidance material for the assignment, the way you approach the reading and the annotation that you produce in the context of the reading is very important to what the final product looks like here. So having taken the time to kind of carefully go through those first 12 pages from field working, annotating both in the sense that you are marking up, highlighting, underlining, circling, drawing attention to the main ideas, and then also making sure you're annotating by writing out comments that relate to the material you're engaging with. So the ideas that strike you as significant, the ideas that seem to resonate with ideas you may yourself already hold, parts of the reading that you may find confusing, writing out why you think you are confused, turning that into a question. That kind of material is fundamental to the writing that you will produce for step two. So for example, if I don't annotate the reading, then I am undercutting my ability to comprehend the material, and you need to comprehend it quite well in order to be able to address step two. And you're also, when you're annotating, you are identifying passages that you can reference in your writing when you go on to write about the material. So the annotation is really key, and that's a fundamental idea I want to convey to you in our very first week together. And so one of the things you might do, regardless of where you are with step two, is to take some time to look over those first 12 pages and ask yourself, how seriously did I annotate? If you didn't annotate very seriously, you want to recognize that you're kind of out of step with the expectations of the class. And so you would want to take the time to annotate, okay, and then complete step two. That would be really important to your future progress through the class. So that's kind of one thing to keep in mind. The other thing we want to keep in mind is that this is an online class in a very strange semester with a lot of external stresses that people are facing. Nevertheless, you are enrolled in a course, and the course does have expectations, right? So we need to make sure that we're meeting those expectations to the best of our ability. If issues come up, extraordinary issues come up that I need to know about, please let me know. But otherwise, the expectation is that everybody's doing the work and doing the work on time. And that's crucial because we need to do the work on time to be able to progress normally through the curriculum. Okay, so that's an important thing to keep in mind. So what I want you to do, obviously, for today is finish up step two. What I will do with you guys is I will produce a video for the beginning of next week after I've had a chance to look at your submissions for step two and also your quiz grades from step one. And I'll talk about how everyone's doing in the class as a group. I'll talk about the things we can focus on to improve, okay? And I'm looking forward to speaking with all of you soon. And trying out some of those ice cream flavors that you guys recommended as your favorite kinds of ice cream. Anyway, I hope you have a nice day. I hope you have a good weekend. I hope you stay safe. And I look forward to seeing the work you turn in next. Have a great day. Bye.